Welcome to St. Anthony's classes. Today, our topic is construction of a isometric scale. And for constructing an isometric scale, first of all, we have to draw a horizontal line and name it as AO. From the point A, draw another line that I am going to draw the actual line. From point A, I am going to draw the actual line. And this actual line we are drawing from A at an angle of 45 degree. And name it as B1, AB1. Now mark the points here. 10 millimeter, 20 millimeter, 30 millimeter, 40, 50, then 60, 70, 80, 90, like that way we are marking. Then 100 also we are marking here. Now draw another line we are drawing from the point A itself, and this line we are drawing at an angle of, this is also a horizontal line only. We are drawing this horizontal line at an angle of 30 degree. Okay. Now draw the point 10 vertically down and 20 also vertically down and 30 also vertically down and 40 also. If you are bringing it only up to this new line, that is this red line which I have drawn, I am giving the name as B. So AB is this line which I have drawn at 30 degree. And now this 60 also we are bringing down, and 70, then 80, then 90 and 100. So here we are getting the points like that. This is 10 dash, we can give 20 dash, 30 dash, 40 dash, this will be 50 dash, and this point will be 60 dash, this point will be 70 dash, and this point will be 80 dash, and this point will be 90 dash, and this point will be 100 dash. So the line AB is the isometric scale. And the isometric scale compared to the actual scale, isometric scale compared to the actual scale, it will be smaller than the actual scale. And generally it is 0.816 into the true length. And for making the isometric projection, generally we are not using this isometric scale, because making the drawing with the isometric scale, it is very much tedious as well as very much difficult. So generally the isometric projection is making with the actual scale only. If you could understand it, like and share this video, and also subscribe this channel. Thank you.